Hey guys, welcome back to Droid Crunch. I am Lokesh Kapoor, and in this video, we are going to talk about some of the best applications that are available on SetApp. SetApp is a subscription-based service that offers you hundreds of applications for Mac and iOS devices. So if you are the one that uses Mac or iOS, then this video can definitely be very interesting and informative for you. And yeah, SetApp saves you a lot of money by offering you the application that the competitors cost you like $10 to $20 per month, and in under one subscription you get access to hundreds of these applications, including the applications for work, for business, for CRM, okay, for development, for design. Everything is included in under one subscription that costs you only $10 or maybe 11 point something. Okay, I will talk everything, like whether you should go with this subscription, whether this service is worth or not, or there's any alternative you can go with. And considering that I have listed some of the best applications that are available on the store, I will tell you what applications these are and which applications these apps actually replace. Okay, for example, Loom. There's this screen recording application which is replaced or can be replaced using Cleanshot X on SetApp. The same way you can replace AVG with CleanMyMac X. Okay, so keep watching guys, there's a giveaway inside. So guys, the first application I would like to include in my list is CleanMyMac X, which is definitely a powerful application for Mac. I'm using it like for months now, and it is definitely optimizing my Mac, giving me more RAM, optimizing not only the RAM but also CPU, showing me the overall load on it and its temperature and Macintosh. If you click on any of these, like for example CPU, it will show you the percentage, user percentage, the system uptime, temperature, top consumers. Okay, and you can also see the connected peripheral devices, keyboard device, Bluetooth connected device, and internet connection, speed and all, everything, memory. Okay, I have like 8 gigs of RAM in my Mac mini, and it is showing me the pressure on it. Okay, the swap file and everything. You can click on learn more and dive deep into that as well. You can click on the settings tab and see all the settings, and it is also protected by Moon Lock, and it is real-time malware monitor and gives you a complete database check in real time. And here you can see the system junk, here you can see mail attachments, trash bins, then you can see malware removal. Okay, that is Moon Lock itself. Then you have privacy options to instantly remove your browsing history, traces of your online and offline activities. You can optimize the speed by managing the agents, launch agents. You can see like Logitech, all of these that I have that instantly open up when my laptop boots up, Mac boots up. And then I have options to maintenance, to free up the RAM, to free up the purgeable space, to free up the maintenance scripts, flush DNS cache. So if you want to do the flush DNS cache, you can instantly do it just by clicking on it. And okay, you don't have to type in commands in terminal and all, unlike in Windows you have to do it. Then you can speed up your mail, you can reindex Spotlight, repair the disk permissions. You can set this time machine snapshot thinning, right? Then it also has a dedicated uninstaller. The uninstaller by Mac is not that capable. It leaves some traces, okay, and leaves some files, user data, log files and cache. All of these files stays in your computer, but using this application called CleanMyMac X, you can remove every single data. Okay, the binaries, preferences, login items, logs, plugins, everything is deleted when you uninstall the application using this application. Okay, and it cleans better. Okay, gives you much smoother performance when you delete the applications. Okay, and then you have this updater application which notifies you when there is any update available. The most reliable versions of applications will be updated. Okay, then you can see view all 3 updates, will give me which application has the update, will give me also the log. Okay, what is new, I can quickly see it. So without having to click on the application, check from their settings whether there is any update available or not, I can instantly navigate to my CleanMyMac X and can see what updates are available and what improvements I will get by update to that application. Okay, so that's it for CleanMyMac. Then we do have some extensions to remove. It removes the extensions correctly, disables extensions on demand. Okay, then you have the space lenses. Okay, to get a visual size comparison of your folders and files for quick tidying up. Okay, instant size overview, you can click on it, and you can definitely do a scan first of all to get into that. But it's very useful because most of the Macs we have seen that we get to see it is filled up with system data and apps data. Okay, and the free data or the free space is very less, and that's why the speed gets reduced over time. And CleanMyMac can easily give you more space, can clean your applications. Okay, tidy up your system and files. Then you have the large and old files that does the similar job. And then you have this shredder to erase any unwanted files and folders quickly and without leaving a trace. Okay, it sheds and erases the sensitive data securely, gets around various finder errors. You can select the files to do the job. Okay, let's move on to the next application. So guys, next on the list we do have Cleanshot X, which is an amazing application for screenshots, GIFs, and even video recording, sharing the short or long video, screen recording videos with your colleagues through links or and all. It also gives you cloud storage, so you don't have to worry about losing that data. You can confidently use it, and it's like Loom, to be honest, and it has a rating of 99%. I have been using it, and it is very interesting application. I have created a dedicated review on Cleanshot X, so if you find that useful, like you want to see more details about that, you can definitely check out that review video on my channel. And it has a lot of features, like you can do the area screenshot, full screen screenshots, video, window scrolling, timer. You can also do OCR to capture the text from the images and all. Then you can select the ratio dimensions. You can click on this to have a full screen of it, and then you can there are some patterns or ratios that you can choose from. Okay, and you can record it, okay, or you can screenshot it. And there are multiple features, like if I show you, like capture area, and I capture this one. If I edit on this button over here, then you can see you can edit it very well. Okay, you can customize the colors, the width or the stroke of it, the points over here, fancy curved, whatever you want to do, just click on it. It is a curved one, so it will be like this. Then you can have all of these features which you find in most of the screenshot applications. One interesting one is that this background option, where you get all these backgrounds on your screenshots, the curved paddings and all. Okay, give you a much better screenshot experience, right? So let's quickly move on to the next application that we have. So guys, on the next up we do have this application iStat, which stays in your menu bar and shows you all the stats about your user system, okay, processes, all the cores, okay. And over here you can see the performance of each core, like how much uses they have, threads, processes, everything. You can also see the memory, timely, okay. You can change it from here or here, okay. Frames per second you can see, and you can also see the load average, okay, and uptime. Everything is shown over here. I have disabled plenty of things, so if you enable them, you can also see specifications and real-time stats related to your disks, networks, sensors, battery and power, time, and combinations of various features and weather as well. So yeah, if you are in like using for example Premiere Pro or any other high-end application, then you can see that if this bar will go up, will show you that a lot of consumption is being there about CPU or GPU, everything. So yeah, this one is very useful. So let's move to the next one. So guys, on the next up we do have this application iStat, which stays in your menu bar and shows you all the stats about your user system, okay, processes, your all the cores, okay, and over here you can see the performance of each core, like how much uses they have, threads, processes, everything. You can also see the memory, timely, okay, you can change it from here or here, okay, frames per second you can see, and you can also see the load average, okay, and uptime, everything is shown over here. I have disabled plenty of things, so if you enable them you can also see specifications and real-time stats related to your disks, networks, sensors, battery and power, time, and combinations of various features and weather as well. So yeah, if you are in like using for example Premiere Pro or any other high-end application, then you can see that if this bar will go up, will show you that a lot of consumption is being there about CPU or GPU, everything. So yeah, this one is very useful. So let's move to the next one. So guys, next on the list we do have TypingMind, which is an amazing application that offers you a better UI for ChatGPT. It gives you free access to ChatGPT 3.5 and GPT-4 models provided by the SetApp. Okay, you can use your custom API keys for custom models for GPT-4 or anything, and you can also check their FAQs to start using it. You have plenty of models over here, you can use them. Okay, based on your keys provided over here, you will be able to use those models. You can fetch your API key from the OpenAI playground, your account. You can click on here to get access to that, easily use it. And it offers you an application, unlike OpenAI or ChatGPT. You don't have any application for that on your Mac, but here you get an application, so you can easily launch the application and use it. Okay, so next on the list we have DevUtils, which is a utilities application for the developers. It is an offline development toolkit that offers you 40 plus utilities, tools or features, you can say. Opening it, you can find all the tools over here in the sidebar. If you want to do regex texting, you want to convert JSON to YAML, you want to minify HTML, CSS or JS, you can use this tool very easily and it does the job. You don't have to browse the web to find the perfect tool for your need. You can use it and it works best. You can access all the cheat sheet over here. You can copy the text to the clipboard and it will access the reliable and perfect tool for it. So yeah, it's very useful for developers. So guys, next on the list we do have SnippetsLab. SnippetsLab is a perfect application for the developers who want to organize their important snippets. You can access all your snippets in one interface. You can manage them in folders. You can assign various tags over here, okay, to them. You can copy the snippets using this button over here or select a copy. You can paste your code, and you can also select which code you have pasted, like you see in other code editors. Okay, and you can also share the snippets. You can access some settings. You can change the themes as well. Go here, you can access all the theme options. Choose any theme that you want. So let's move on to the next application. So guys, next on the list we have Presentfiy, which is an application especially for those who want to present their screen to their colleagues, to their teammates, to their clients, to their boss or anyone. Okay, it gives you annotation features, cursor features, highlighting features. For example, I want to highlight the cursor, just click on it and it works like this. You want to annotate the screen, click on this. Okay, this bar over here, you can drag it. You can show this cursor, arrow, You can choose any different color over here. You can just use other features as well. You can write text over here as well, right? You can erase everything with just one click. You can also close this annotation bar by using this close button. Okay, it does the job for the presenters. So let's move on to the next application. So guys, next on the list we have Luminar Neo. You can see this is photo designing application which can enhance your colors, remove unwanted objects in the pictures, replace skies and landscape photos, improve the look of screen close-ups. You can compare this application with the Photoshop or maybe Lightroom. Okay, some similar applications. It can do all of these things. It's a heavy application. It is around 6 gigs and it covers a lot of space. Definitely it can give you studio light, enhance the images, the clarity, okay, the definition of the images, the neon and glow, everything you can use. Add a pop of neon or glowing light to your photos. So it is a perfect application. If you want a review of it, you can comment down below and I will make a separate video about Luminar. So let's quickly move on to the next application. So guys, next up we have Menubar X on SetApp. This application allows you to access the web using your menu bar. So over here you can see this icon which is of menu bar itself. Here you can see you can choose any user agent, mobile device or desktop. Okay, you can use it for website testing as well. If you are a developer, you can easily use it and enter up your website. For example, I open toycrunch.com. okay, and it will open up like you are using your mobile. You can also use calculator, you can use social media, you can use weather translator or any other application you may want. You can also create new tabs. For example, I add new one, and on this one application I can open Instagram. On this application I can open Google Translate. So this way I can open multiple tabs on my menu bar and can access any of these features. Does look interesting, isn't it? You can also do various settings in this. You can, for example, enable the dark mode. You can do the ad blocking, enable for the current tab. Okay, there are many features in it. They say there are like 24 plus features for unlimited tabs, download manager, plenty of web applications. You can resize responsive, custom site icon, custom home page, plenty of web apps, local debugging, background audio, lot more. So let's quickly move to the next application. So guys, next on our list we have Elepphas, which is a perfect personal AI writing assistant for Mac. It helps you to summarize, rewrite or fix some content. It can also continue writing content if you're stuck. It removes writer's block. For example, you are a writer or someone who has to write content, then you can use it freely. For example, I am writing something about how to make potato chips. Okay, just that, and I select the text, go to Elepphas, and I can click on this continue writing button over here, and this icon will light up like that, and it is doing its work. It is kind of a notification, and yeah, here you can see that you got the text. So very useful application for writing content. You will not get blocked anywhere, and you don't have to switch between applications. If you use other AI applications to write the content, you have to actually open their web application or their application. But here you have this in your Mac on menu bar. So no matter you are using Docs, you are using WordPress, you are using any other writing platform, you can use Elepphas everywhere. So this is the plus point of Elepphas, and there are multiple features. for the content summarizing, repurpose, smart reply. You can also write email, you can use super brain, super chat, smart write, fixed grammar. So everything is at your disposal using Elepphas. So definitely check this out, and it can improve your workflow, improve your content a lot more. So these were all the applications that I had in my mind about SetApp. So check out the link in the description for these applications, and if you like them, definitely go give it a try. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for watching more videos like this, and I see you in the next one.